How do we predict exactly how a complex digital circuit will behave? We use a truth table. A truth table is a mathematical way of representing a Boolean function, or a digital logic circuit in a simple table form. Its job is simple. It shows how a circuit's output responds to every single possible combination of inputs. In the digital world, we use 1 for true or high, and 0 for false or low. Every truth table consists of rows and columns. The input columns are always constructed in the order of binary counting, based on the number of bits you are using. To stay organized, we list all input combinations on the left. The middle section is for our working steps, where we calculate parts of an equation. Finally, the rightmost column shows our final output. Let's look at a complex example. For this function with 3 inputs x, y, and z, there are 8 possible combinations. By breaking the equation down into smaller parts in the working section, we can easily find the final output for every scenario. As you can see, for this specific function, the output is only high when certain combinations of inputs are met. Truth tables are the roadmap for every decision a computer makes. Master the table, and you master the logic of the machine. If this helped you visualize digital logic, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into computer science. See you in the next one.